Susie, look what I've got. Lush.
Days like this.
Love being on the bikes.
Shake pomegranate. Goes like handkerchiefs.
So at this lovely tranquil beach, what are you reading?
It's the serial killer's party.
That's the best thing about your holiday, isn't it?
Oh, the pine trees.
Love this. Doing absolutely nothing. Need to do more of it, I think.
So, Mr. Lindsay, what's the best thing about your holiday?
Alina Beach, no mosquito bites. What more do you want?
I'm just sitting here smelling the pine trees.